So today I'll be talking about how to use AI for trading on the QuMatix app. I'll be showing you how to download, register, withdraw, deposit, and use AI to trade on the QuMatix. Now the very first step is to download the app. Alright. Now to get the app, you can come on your Play Store or on your Apple Store and search for QuMatix Trading Tool. This is a trading tool that you can use to trade several assets, commodities, metals, cryptos, and all of that. So you can see it has 4.2 rating and you can quickly download and get registered. All right. So let's register on the app. Now to register on the app is quite simple. You have to come on the registration page, put in an email that you use frequently, put in your password. Then you come here and select a particular country you're from, okay, or where you want to be trading from, or your current location, and then you can select this place that shows you are agreeing to the terms and condition. Make sure you read them before you select. All right. Then you can open an account simply. Now, after you're done with this area, then you need to log into your account. Also, my invitation code is going to be on the screen, class 50. You can use it for your deposit, and of course, this gets you better discounts. So let's talk about that. So now we're logged in into the app. All right. Now the first thing you notice is that you have a demo account. So on the demo account, you can see my balance is about 26 million, and this is simply because this is money given to you to practice all your strategies, and you can practice on the demo account. All right. Now you can choose between your demo account and your real account. On my real account, you can see I have about 67,500 nairas, which I will be using for trading. So demo account is for practice and real account is for trading. So I can switch to the real account because I'll be using the real account to trade. All right. So let's talk about how to use AI for trading. But before we do that, let me show you how to deposit into your account. All right. So you come to this area where you find deposit, and this is quite simple. Now, like I mentioned, my invitation code will be on the screen. You can use my invitation code for your deposit so you can get it at a discount, class 50. All right. There are three main ways, which is the popular ones, the banks, and the crypto. So you can choose any particular crypto you want to deposit with. You can see TRC20, which is the one I've used, bank transfer in your preferred country, and you can see this is the crypto deposit method. You can choose the particular crypto deposit method that you like or that is quite easy for you. There are a lot of them, and you need to, of course, learn how to deposit into your account, which I've shown you. Also, it's important that you use my invitation code so that you can have a little bit of discount when you are making your deposit on the QuMatix app. Now, depositing is quite simple and straightforward. Now, let's talk about how you can absolutely trade with AI on the QuMatix app. Now, before we get started, understanding that trading is risky, so you need to learn about trading before you even get started. All right, you need to develop a strategy, find out your preferred strategy, and stick to your strategy so you can enjoy trading. So, how does trading with the AI works? Come on this area where you find the robot on the middle area down here. Then you can click on the robot, and here on the robot area you can see that on my real account I have 67,000. Okay, now you can choose the amount you want to use for trading. So let's say I want to use about 20,000 naira to trade. Okay, I'm going to put in 20,000. Then the duration, how long do you want the trading to last? So I want it to last 1 minute, so I can select 1 minute. If you want it more than 1 minute, you can choose higher amount. Now, the assets you want to trade is very important. You can choose different assets you like. You can see there are forex pairs, there are also metals, there are also commodities. You can choose the particular one you want. Even if you want to trade crypto, you can trade. Okay, you can see silver, you can see gold, and they are all cool depending on the particular one that you want. So I'm going to be choosing USD BRL. Then you can choose your indicator. This indicator signifies your strategy. What kind of strategy do you want to use? Okay, you can choose the AI indicator if you like. You can choose the MACD, you can choose the stochastic, Bollinger Bands, RSI, CCI, or close price. Okay, now I prefer using the RSI. okay, because I love the RSI and I make use of it, then I can choose to use it. Okay, now I've selected the RSI. The next step is the strategy. Now this involves your risk management, so you want to always make sure that you are on the low risk. Okay, so I prefer using the low risk. You can choose the low risk, okay, so that you can optimize what you're doing. Okay, there's a medium risk, there's also the high one, but I prefer, if you're a new trader, you can stick with the low method. Now, the profit limit is also important. You can choose the profit limit you want. This means that when the robot has traded for you up to 30,000, it's going to close. But let me put my profit limit up to like 40,000, and that is cool. Okay, I'm going to just activate it on this area. Okay, so after I've gotten about 40,000, I want to stop trading. Okay, so that is how to set, that is what this area means. Then you can come here and select start trading. All right, now this video do not promote any form of guaranteed income or financial advice, so you need to learn how to trade before you are using the QuMatix tool. So on this area, this shows the fluctuations of the market. You can also come here to look at the chart of what you're trading. Okay, you can look at what you're trading on the charts, the particular one you're trading, the particular asset you're trading. You can look for it, USD BRL, and you monitor what is happening. You can see this is where the trade is opened for you. So you can see at the end of 1 minute, this can be in your favor or not. Okay, so this is where my trade was opened, and you can see the market is well above my trade, which is good for me because I particularly love it that way. Okay, so let's go down. Let's come back to the deals area where our trade can be viewed from. This is where you can view your trade from, and it is okay. So I'm going to come to the deals area and come down here, and okay, I'm going to come back here to see what's going on my trade. Come on the robot side, and we have about 17 more seconds. Also here you can stop the robot if you want. This is particularly where you can decide to stop the robot if you no longer want to trade, and this can be okay for you too. All right, so at the end of the day, you can now see that the results will be shown, and you can see I have a better balance right now, and absolutely search for another signal which I would love to enter. And yeah, so the AI automatically searches for more signals for you, and try to put it in the right places so it can make good decisions. We have gotten to our complete trading, and I'm going to close my robot right now. Okay, so you can see the real account is now about 129k, and let's look at all the trades the robot entered for us. All right, this is the very first one. This is the very first one it did for us, okay, which was cool. The second one was a loss. The third one was cool, and the fourth one was cool. All right, so all of these trades were happening on my real account using the AI tool. Now let's talk about how you can withdraw. All right, you come on this area where you find accounts, and you come on this place where you find withdrawal. Okay, when you click on the withdrawal page, that's where you can withdraw all of your money or some of the money that you need. Okay, this is the one in the account, and this is also the same amount available for withdrawal. You can put in the amount you need on this area, and then you can put in the payment method, the USDT payment method, the one you like, or you can choose any other payment method. Put in your wallet address, okay, and then you can choose the network, BP20 or TRC20. Then you can confirm. Now that is exactly how to withdraw money into your account. Also here you can see the support where you can message the support, you can chat to the support. They are quite fast and they respond quickly to your problems. You can message support from this area, okay, and these are the deals area where you can manage your deals and watch your current trades. This is also the trading area where you can see what's going on your trades. All right, so I'm going to leave you here, guys. You can come down on this area on the comments to ask me questions regarding this tool, and yeah, it can be cool for your trading if you understand how to use it. Don't forget, This video do not promise or guarantee any income, so you need to do your own research, learn how to trade before you can consider making use of this tool. I'll see you on another one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.